Meet Dover Motion's XY tables, vital components driving accuracy. These precision motion solutions empower engineers across the world with advanced motion control. From high-performance models to open-frame designs, Dover offers unmatched versatility when it comes to XY tables. Explore our compact, high-performance XY tables that utilize stacked individual axes to create precise XY motion in small spaces. Our open-frame XY tables have an open aperture that allows for illuminating a sample from one side with the camera, optics, and objective on the other side of the sample. Monolithic-style XY linear tables are used for larger loads and when there is a need to reduce height. We also offer custom solutions that meet your specific application requirements. What sets us apart is our expertise in embedding high-performance electronics controls within compact design, offering high resolution. Our Motion Synergy all-in-one motion control software API and user interface solution features multi-stage, multi-axis setup, control, and plotting of your devices, including advanced motion profiles. Leverage our industry expertise to take your life sciences technologies to the next level. At Dover Motion, we focus on the motion, so you can focus on your technology.